Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Habib Sobri, you can call me Habib. I am from English Education Study Program in Jambi University with name A1B225105 with the supervising lecturer, Ma'am Dr. Hustarna, SPD MA. Now I will to identify and describe our answer about the case that my group has identified. Number one, for English sound student, find difficult based on the case. The four sounds that student find difficult are the first is the voiceless dental fricative. For example, thing. The second is the. For example, as this or that. The third is v or v. For example, is very. And the last is for example as dog. I think this is answer about number one question. And number two, how each sound is produced based on Yule 2010. The first is the voicing is voiceless and the place of articulation is fricative, and a space of a narrow gap between the tongue and the upper teeth without vibration of the vocal cords. Number two is the. The voicing is voice, and the place of articulation is dental. Manner of articulation is fricative, and the sound is produced in the same way as the, but with vibration of the vocal is the different is vibration of the vocal cords. And the third is v. The voicing is voice. The place of articulation is labiodental. The manner of articulation is fricative, and the lower lip touch the upper teeth and allowing air to pass wide friction while the vocal cords vibrate. The last is the. The voicing is voice, place of articulationnya is alveolar, and then the manner of articulation is fricative. The tongue is placed close the alveolar ridge and air pass stop with friction while the vocal cord vibrate. The vocal cords vibrate. And the question of number 3 is why these sounds are difficult for Indonesian learners. For this, that, I think this is the and the sounds don't excite in Indonesian sound system. Students often replace them with T or D because the sounds are more familiar. The producing of and the requires placing the tongue between the teeth, which is unusual for Indonesian speakers. V. In Indonesian, the sound is often replaced with F. Many Indonesian learners aren't accustomed to distinction and between voice and voiceless fricative. And the last question is two pronunciation exercise. Number 1 is tongue position or mirror practice. Student practice pronunciation V and the in front of a mirror. They should make sure the tip or the tongue slightly protrudes and touch the upper teeth. And the number 2 is voicing control or minimal pair drills. Practice word pace such as fun or van, far and van, zip or zip, zip, thing, thing, and this. Student focus on vocal cord vibration and airflow control. I think that's all about 4 question from discussion from my group, and thank you for attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.